Hello, students. Let us now begin with the lesson Wonderful Waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Travancore is today known as Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Grand means a big dinner. In the afternoon, the Maharaja entered the kitchen and went to survey the dishes. Afternoon means the time between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. To survey the dishes means he went to check the dishes. When the Maharaja entered the kitchen, he saw a basket full of scraps. They were vegetable scraps. Scraps means waste that is left over from the vegetables. Looking at the basket of waste, he asked the cook, "What are you going to do with these scraps?" The cook said, "They are waste. I will throw them out." The Maharaja said, "No, find out a way to use them." The cook kept on looking. That means he kept on staring at the basket of waste, wondering what to do with them. Suddenly, an idea flashed his mind. Flashed means an idea came to his mind. He cut these scraps into small pieces, put them into a pot, and kept the pot on fire. Then the cook took some coconut, some green chilies, and some garlic, ground all these together, and added them to the vegetable scraps which he had kept for boiling on the fire. As this dish was getting ready, a tempting smell. The meaning of the word tempting means a very attractive smell began to come from this dish. The cook also added some curd to the dish. And then, once the dish was ready, he decorated it with curry leaves. The guests who had come to the king's palace were wondering what was being cooked because they got such a nice smell of the dish. They wanted to know what the name of the dish was. The cook had no name initially for the dish, but slowly he thought of a name and he called this dish avial. Today, avial is one of the most well-known dishes in whole of Kerala. I'm sure, students, you must have understood